Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to swap crypto in Binance with a Web3 wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, once you open your application and you see your wallet, simply switch from the exchange to the wallet section on the top. And once you do that, it's going to send you to this section. Now, as you can see, your wallet is already in one mode, which is always on Web3. But the only difference is that Web3 supports special tokens. So as you can see on the bottom, from each token, from each currency, there's a small logo on the right side of it, which shows that it is type current of the BVN or the Web3 wallet. And so from here, all you have to do is when you go to trade, and then you're going to exchange your wallet, you can switch either from Pro to Bridge or to simply to swap. Now from here you can either exchange from normal currency, and as you can see this is through the BVN, or you can switch to normal one, but anything that supports the small logo on the right, that is considered in the Web3 wallet. And so from here you can exchange from either Doge to USDT or any other currency you have in mind. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.